Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tasmia Miss. Today we are going to learn about at family. Okay, at word family. Like our family, we have so many members in our family. At family also have so many members and so many words. Let's start. This is called at. Before adding one letter, we can make so many words. Let's start. K plus at. Cat. Cat. F at fat. F at fat. Fat. H at hat. H at hat. Hat. At mat. At mat. Mat. At rat. At rat. Rat. B at bat. B at bat. Bat. Okay, let's read quickly. Bat, cat, fat, hat. Mat, pat, rat, sat. You have to read these words quickly. And there are some worksheets. Now we are going to play a game. Let's start the game, okay? You have to wait for a minute. Okay. Take some letter, and these are at, before at. Okay? Before at, adding one letter, we can make so many words. There are so many letters. We can take one by one and make different words. Okay, first of all, we will take B. Add before add. Add before add. Bat. B at bat. B at bat. Then we will take C letter. Letter C. Letter C. It sounds K. K at cat. K at cat. Okay. Then F. F at fat. F at fat. Now we will add sound. Ma. M. At mat. At mat. Then age. H sound. H at hat. H at hat. Okay, take P. Pa sound. Pa at pat. Pa at pat. Then add last one. Rat. R sound. At rat. At red. Okay. See, just add one letter and make how many words? 7 words.